and welcome to Tongue Ticklers. Today, let's take a closer look at Dalgona Coffee, the social media sensation. Honestly, I've been making this coffee for the past 15 years and I learned it from my cousin Guljeet. So today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to make Dalgona coffee easily. Also, I will be making 5 different types of Dalgona coffees. Just Dalgona, Cappuccino, Mocha, Caramel and Vanilla Dalgona. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our tongue-tickling recipes. Now, to make the Dalgona, we need a coffee cup or mug, some instant coffee, some sugar and water. Here, I'm making 2 cups of Dalgona. So for that, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm just giving it a quick mix. Now, unlike other videos where people add all the water at once, my little trick is to add the water bit by bit. So I'm adding 3 teaspoons of water while mixing the mixture. Now this is really important because it helps form the foam quickly and you don't have to whisk this mixture for a really long time. If you have an electronic whisk, you can use that, but a spoon works pretty well. Okay, so give it a quick mix and we are good to start whisking. And you can see that as you whisk this mixture, it starts to form the foam. As I whisk, I can notice that the foam has gotten thicker. So I'm going to add another teaspoon of water and whisk again. And I'm going to repeat this process until we get the desired consistency. Okay, as you can see, we now have the creamy and thick, or what is also called stiff peak consistency of the foam. So we are ready to make the coffee. Now to your coffee cup or mug, add hot or cold milk and place 4 teaspoons of the Dalgona coffee foam on top. This is how everyone is making Dalgona. But to make it even more delicious, I would add the Dalgona coffee foam first in an empty cup, pour in hot or cold milk and give it a quick, gentle stir. This way, Dalgona coffee tastes even better. Now, to make cappuccino out of it, easy. Just sprinkle some chocolate or cocoa powder on top. There we go, yummy Cappuccino Dalgona. Next, I'm making Mocha Dalgona. For this, we need chocolate sauce and we can make it quickly and easily at home. Just grab any chocolate you have and microwave it for 45 seconds. Add the melted chocolate along the walls of your coffee cup. Add the Dalgona coffee foam and pour in hot or cold milk. Let's give it a quick, gentle stir. That's it, Mocha Dalgona. To make the caramel Dalgona, we need caramel sauce. Caramel sauce is really easy to make at home. Let's have a look. In a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons butter, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons water. Boil it until this mixture thickens and becomes syrupy. Let's pour this caramel sauce into a glass container. Add the caramel sauce along the walls of your coffee cup. Add the Dalgona coffee foam and pour in hot or cold milk. Give it a gentle stir and our caramel Dalgona is ready. For the vanilla Dalgona, we need some vanilla essence. Add the Dalgona coffee foam to your coffee cup or mug. Add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and pour in the hot or cold milk. Here we go, delicious vanilla Dalgona. So, these are my favorite Dalgona coffees, and which one did you like? try these 5 types of quick and easy Dalgona coffees and let me know your favorite one in the comments below. If you enjoyed these Dalgona coffee recipes, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram so you don't miss out on our tongue-tickling recipes. Thanks for watching.